So we'll just get started with today's presentation, and we are going to be doing our monthly tech roundup. And this will be on new products, programs, and services that are coming out in February of 2022. So first, a brief presentation table of contents. I will start off with an introduction to what I will be explaining today, then going over the new products, followed by the new programs and services, and then finally providing you with some additional resources to continue on your education with new products and services. So for the introduction, the monthly Tech Roundup session aims to provide recommendations on the newest technological products, programs, and services of this month. There are a wide variety of different tech products and services to address different needs and uses, and we want to bring these products and services to you. Information, including where to buy the items, is covered in this presentation, as well as some important details about the items. So to begin with some new and exciting products. The first one is the Samsung Galaxy S22, which is a new Android smartphone. The second one is a Steam Deck, which is a live streaming device. Next, we have an Asus Vivobook Slate 13 OLED, which is a hybrid laptop tablet. And another one is the Mobvoi earbuds, which are wireless earpieces. We have two more products, including the Samsung Freestyle portable projector, which is a home theater device, perfect for the pandemic, and the Ambook A2 hand warmers, which will keep your digits warm. So now I will be going into some more detailed information on each of these products. The Samsung Galaxy S22. You can see an image of this new smartphone to the left of the screen, and the new Samsung phone in the Galaxy lineage is set to be released in February of this year. It is said to have new cutting-edge technology, and it will have a more box-like appearance, akin to that of a Samsung Galaxy Note. Samsung spokesmen have also stated that Samsung will rewrite the future of smartphones once again. Where to buy the Samsung Galaxy S22? Firstly, the predicted price of the product is $899. Rumors have it that it is being released around February 9th, which is coming up, and will most likely be available on the Samsung official website, as well as at well-known tech stores that have previously been selling these products or related Samsung products, including Best Buy, Walmart, and even The Source. Next is Valve's Steam Deck. The Steam Deck is more than just a game console. It's also a PC, which you can plug into a monitor or TV, hook it up to controllers or a mouse and keyboard, and even install Windows onto it. But the Steam Deck also has some unique features. The new version of Steam OS, Valve's Linux-based operating system, will be able to seamlessly play games that were built for Windows thanks to a compatibility tool called Proton. Here is an image of the product to the right. The system can suspend and resume games and also support some fancy new AMD graphic features. That's something you're interested in. It is predicted to be very popular among youth as well as gamers. You might be wondering where to actually buy the Steam Deck. The product will launch on February 25th, and the price is set to be $399 for 64 gigabytes, $529 for 256 gigabytes, and $649 for 512 gigabytes. A Steam Deck can be reserved if you put down a $5 deposit. According to the site, Valve, when inventory is available, customers will be notified in the order reservations were made to make their purchase. So if this is something that you are very interested in, or maybe you want to buy it for a friend, family member, or a loved one, then you can always just put down this $5 deposit to make sure you get in line. So the Asus Vivobook Slate OLED. The Vivobook functions as both a tablet and a laptop due to the detachable screen and keyboard, which lets it be even more portable, which is another great feature that it has. It can also function as a camera, which has great quality for taking pictures. It has a fast processor and comes with the all-new Windows 11. Here is an image of all of the different parts of this product, including the detachable keyboard and as well as the screen and the case. Where to buy the Asus Vivobook Slate OLED? Asus has stated that the new Vivobook will be released in early 2022, so assumptions have been made that it will be this month. It costs about $599.99, and you will presumably be able to buy it from the official Asus website or a tech retailer near you, as this is a well-known and popular brand. The fourth product is the Mobvoi earbuds. Mobvoi wireless earbuds are fantastic earpieces, which have great sound quality and a very long battery life when compared to other earbuds. They can last for up to 10 hours. You can even use different head gestures for certain commands. For example, to decline a call, you can shake your head twice, and to pick up calls, you can nod your head twice. So this is a great feature that improves convenience while you're using your headphones. Here is a screenshot of what they look like. Now you might be wondering, again, where can you actually buy this product? Mobvoi is a company that makes wearable products like its line of TicWatch smartwatches, harnessing artificial intelligence. They were released in January on the 27th and are now available on the market for you to purchase. They cost $59, and they can be bought from Amazon, the Mobvoi official website, and other tech retailers. Next is the Samsung Freestyle portable projector. This new projector of Samsung's has a 180-degree swivel and coverage of up to 100 inches. You can change the lighting of the projector depending on the color of the wall, which enhances the viewing experience that you have. It features 1080p resolution, as well as autofocus and auto-leveling capabilities to automatically align its image to any surface. It can play music and has 360-degree surround sound. So this is a great product which has many different features to enhance your experience with the product. You can buy this portable projector as of January 4th, and it costs $899.99. It is available for pre-order on the Best Buy website as well as B&H. Next, the Anbook A2 hand warmers. The Anbook hand warmer is perfect on the go. This is due to its compact size, which allows for you to stay warm without having to carry a huge heater along with you. Along with its smooth and sleek design, it contains 3 heat settings, dual-sided heat, and has a rechargeable battery life of up to 9 hours, making it amazing for long trips. Where to buy Anbook hand warmers. It is now available in stores like Amazon, as it is in stock and ready to ship according to the site. It retails for around $25, and you can find out more on their official website by clicking on the link there when you receive a copy of the presentation, or one of our wonderful volunteers can also put it in the chat for you. Now we will be moving on to the new programs and services. Firstly, there are many new titles coming to Netflix, including shows and movies that are ready for you to watch, which is very exciting. And we did do a presentation on different streaming services. If that's something you're interested in, you can always go back and look at previous webinars. Secondly, a service or a program is the Windows Subsystem for Android, which allows you to access Android apps on your PC. Here is a list of the new shows coming to Netflix. Firstly, for Netflix Canada, there is Raising Dion Season 2, Love is Blind Season 2, Inventing Anna, Erin Brockovich, Limitless, Murderville, The Farewell, A Cinderella Story, and Letters to Juliet. For Netflix in the US, there again is Raising Dion and Love is Blind, both Season 2, as well as Inventing Anna. There will also be My Best Friend Anne Frank, The Addams Family, 1991, Batman Begins, The Exorcist, The Lucky One, and The Other Bowling Girl. And there are many, many more titles that will be becoming available, though these are some of the top recommended and well-known ones that seem to be popular right now. Next, I will be going over the Windows Subsystem for Android. This is a new feature rolling out to Windows 11 users and will be that of being able to download and use apps, which are usually Android exclusive. So this is an amazing new service and program for compatibility between devices. It allows you to browse through your favorite Android applications on your Windows computer and even sync between devices. Here are a few steps on how to actually get the Windows Subsystem for Android. Windows Subsystem for Android is currently only available through preview via the beta and dev channels of the Windows Insiders program, which is only in the US. Your device also must meet specific Windows 11 requirements, as this is a new service. To start downloading Android apps, you install the Amazon App Store from the Microsoft Store. And to access the Windows Subsystem for Android Settings app, go to Start, then go to All Apps, and then go into Windows Subsystem for Android. For more information, you can visit the Microsoft website located at that link. And as well, I would definitely recommend setting up a one-on-one if you have particular questions about this process. The final piece of our presentation will be a section on additional resources to help you really stay up to date with the newest technology. Firstly, Techradar. You can access this site from the link on the slide. This is a source for buying tech using its advice that it provides to you, and it will help you to stay up to date with new tech products, programs, and services. Something great about this website is that it is updated daily, so you will be able to get the best buying advice available. The platform provides great resources for all things tech-related, whether it's a product or a service, and has a wide range of options. The second and final additional helpful resource for today is CES 2022, located at the link below. It is the most influential tech event in the world that passed in January, though it is an event that provides global audience access to major brands and startups, including brand new tech products, programs, and services. You can take a look at the website to see the newest tech that has been released and get inspiration for anything that you may want to purchase. Thank you very much for listening. I would just like to apologize again for the technological delay, but if you would like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to our website or call the phone number in order to register for a one-on-one session. We also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursdays. Thank you so much.